Hey guys, welcome here. My name is Deepak Shah and today we will learn about colors in HTML. You can set the color of text, color of background, and you can set the color of border. So there is different way to set the color. First is the normal way, like you just can choose color like red, black, orange, anything. And another way is the percentage of red, green, blue. So it's known as RGB value, and we will discuss this later. And another way is the hexadecimal value of color. So let's take some examples. So let's create a new file, copy the code and paste here. Alright, now save it, and I'm gonna name it color.html. Alright, save as all type and now save it. Done. Remove this code, and color example is the title of the page. And first create three headings. Alright, so change the content is, let's add red color. Alright, so I'm going to change the color is red and remove this for now. Alright, so here is I'm gonna set RGB value. So R red, G for green, B for blue, and the percentage of red is let's say 200. You can set to the value between 1 to 255. So value of G is 122 and the value of B is 140. So change the title RGB color. Alright, so now the third is the hex color. Okay, so hex color value starts with the hash, and in hash value you can set the 6-digit value, and it should lie between 0 to 9 and A to F. So I'm gonna set F7, F7, E6. Alright, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Alright, now save the file and open in the browser. Alright, you can see hex is not looking clear. Change the color first. Let's add 5 7 FF double A. Alright, now save it. Now refresh, so you can see the difference. And for more info just visit link in description.